How to turn on message requests notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on message requests notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now just click here on your profile in the bottom corner and then click these three lines in the top, then click settings. Here you will see notifications, click on it and then click direct messages and calls. And as you see here, you will find it. Here you will find message requests. Now all you need to do, if you want to turn it on, just select it and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.